Universidad Técnica de Machala Facultad de Ciencias Químicas y de la Salud Carrera de Ciencias Médicas. Pathologies of the nervous system. Neurodegenerative disease. The term neurodegenerative disease is an umbrella term for disorders in which there is a progressive loss of the structure or functions of the neurons. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a group of disorders involving the parts of the brain that control thought, memory, and language. It is the leading cause of dementia and is marked by progressive deterioration that affects both the memory and reasoning capabilities of an individual. Anatomy. Healthy neurons have an internal support structure partly made up of structures called microtubules. These microtubules act like tracks, guiding nutrients and molecules from the body of the cell down to the ends of the axon and back. A special kind of protein, tau, binds to the microtubules and stabilizes them. In AD, tau is changed chemically. It begins to pair with other threads of tau, which become tangled together. When this happens, the microtubules disintegrate, collapsing the neuron's transport system. The formation of these neurofibrillary tangles, NFTs, may result first in malfunctions in communication between neurons and later in the death of the cells. In addition to NFTs, the anatomic pathology of AD includes senile plaques, SPs, also known as beta-amyloid plaques, at the microscopic level, and cerebrocortical atrophy at the macroscopic level. The hippocampus and medial temporal lobe are the initial sites of tangle deposition and atrophy. This can be seen on brain magnetic resonance imaging early in AD and helps support a clinical diagnosis. Pathophysiology. The two pathologic hallmarks of Alzheimer's disease are extracellular beta-amyloid deposits, in senile plaques, intracellular neurofibrillary tangles, paired helical filaments. The beta-amyloid deposition and neurofibrillary tangles lead to loss of synapses and neurons, which results in gross atrophy of the affected areas of the brain, typically starting at the mesial temporal lobe. The mechanism by which beta-amyloid peptide and neurofibrillary tangles cause such damage is incompletely understood. There are several theories. The amyloid hypothesis posits that progressive accumulation of beta-amyloid in the brain triggers a complex cascade of events ending in neuronal cell death, loss of neuronal synapses, and progressive neurotransmitter deficits. All of these